I'm Scott Breckenridge, and welcome to my world. It's a pleasure and honor to share with you the investments Legend Brands has made in our manufacturing and warehouse facilities. Normally on a day like today, we'd be bustling with activity, but to keep safe, we're filming this on the weekend. So come along with me. I'm going to take you on a tour of my world. So now we're standing at our automated production line for the HEPA 700. Again, this was part of our vision and plan we spoke about earlier. We are incorporating robotics, cobots, and automated lines into our manufacturing processes across all of our facilities. In our Prescott, Arizona facility, we are using robotic welding for manufacturing of truck mounts. Here in Burlington, we're adding automation, cobots to our assembly lines. These are not just labor-saving tools, but their repeatability and consistency to perform manufacturing tasks to exact standards and specifications make for a superior and higher quality product. In October of 2020, we doubled our footprint in Nashville, Tennessee, with the opening of our new 80,000 square foot distribution center. Here in Burlington, we added a new 88,000 square foot high ceiling building. It incorporated high-tech capabilities, including semi-autonomous forklifts, while making significant investments into the state-of-the-art manufacturing. It's important to note, we remain committed to the most important asset, our people. Most important, our manufacturing people, those that build those high-quality products day in and day out. We're committed to providing a safe and rewarding work environment. This commitment has resulted in employee retentions. We have many members of our production teams that surpass 10 and 15 and 20 years of service. Thank you for taking a few minutes to let me show you my world and facility and talk to you about our new bold future here at Legend Brands. This vision's designed to increase our manufacturing capabilities, serve you, our customer, and we thank you for your business.